Audi's biggest SUV ever is almost here, and it's still hiding. This is the Audi Q9, Audi's first ever full-size flagship SUV. That black mask front end isn't just style, it's Audi's boldest design statement yet. This lighting signature previews the next generation of Audi's design language. Every surface here was built calm, clean, and commanding, a true flagship stance. From behind, the Q9 makes it clear. This is Audi's largest SUV ever built. Every hidden detail here is designed to dominate the moment the covers come off. Even the wheels hint at a chassis built for both comfort and command. 429 horsepower in the base Q9 and 591 horsepower in the SQ9. Audi isn't holding back. Step inside and the Q9 finally drops the disguise. Pure Audi luxury unfiltered. Every control here reflects Audi's shift toward calm, intuitive luxury technology. These seats aren't just for 3 rows, they're built to chauffeur in true comfort. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V6 delivers 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. On the road, the Q9 was built to command, smooth, powerful, and composed. With 6 drive modes, including off-road, this flagship is built for more than just the boulevard. As night falls, its glowing headlight signature hints at the design still to be fully revealed. The Audi Q9, Audi's flagship SUV, arriving this fall.